Adding a Snapchat pixel to your Shopify store is a straightforward process that can help you track conversions and optimize your Snapchat ad campaigns. To get started, you need to have a Snapchat ad account and a Shopify store. First, log into your Snapchat ad account and navigate to the Events Manager section. Here, you will find the option to create a pixel. Click on Create Pixel and follow the prompts to set up your pixel. You will be given a pixel ID, which you will need to copy and save for later use. Next, log into your Shopify store and navigate to the Online Store section. Click on Preferences and then scroll down to the Additional Scripts section. This is where you will add the Snapchat pixel code. To get the pixel code, go back to your Snapchat ad account and navigate to the Events Manager section. Click on the pixel you just created and then click on Install Pixel. Select the option to install the pixel manually and copy the pixel code. Now, go back to your Shopify store and paste the pixel code into the Additional Scripts section. Make sure to paste the code in the header section, as this will ensure that the pixel tracks all pages on your store. After adding the pixel code, click Save and your Snapchat pixel is now installed on your Shopify store. It may take a few hours for the pixel to start tracking events. So be patient and check back later to see if the pixel is working correctly. To verify that the pixel is working, go back to your Snapchat ad account and navigate to the Events Manager section. Click on the pixel you created and look for the active status. If the pixel is active, it means that it is tracking events on your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can easily add a Snapchat pixel to your Shopify store and start tracking conversions and optimizing your Snapchat ad campaigns. This will help you to better understand your customers and create more effective ad campaigns.